Your nails look like they went through a blender after that last salon visit. We have all been there. You peel off the polish and find a mess of thin, flaky, and yellowed layers. It is a total nightmare. Then you see a bottle promising a complete turnaround in just 3 days. This treatment is currently the talk of the beauty world. It makes some massive promises about fixing damaged plates in 72 hours. Let us look at what is actually inside that bottle. The formula is actually quite solid. It features biotin and keratin. These are the essential building blocks for human nails. They provide the hardness and the resilience we all want. The serum also includes botanical extracts designed to fight off fungus. On a chemical level, this is a high-quality product. It is a concentrated burst of nutrition for your hands. But we have to talk about the timeline. Human biology does not care about marketing deadlines. Your nails are slow-growing structures. They emerge from a root deep under your skin. They do not rebuild themselves in a single weekend. When you see a change in 3 days, you are seeing the power of hydration. The oil fills in the gaps between the nail cells. It makes the surface look smooth and shiny. It hides the damage rather than curing it instantly. That is not a bad thing. It provides immediate relief for dry and brittle tips. It stops the snagging and the peeling right away. However, true repair is a marathon. You need to keep applying this serum for weeks to see the real structural benefits. You have to wait for the healthy, treated nail to grow out from the base. This is a legitimate recovery tool for anyone who loves gel manicures. It acts like a specialized moisturizer for your fingertips. It handles the yellowing over time with its antifungal properties. It is a smart purchase if you understand the reality of the situation. Do not go in expecting a miracle by Monday morning. Go in expecting a long-term improvement in your nail health. Use it every single night. Rub it into the cuticles and the nail beds. Let the keratin soak in while you rest. Consistency is the secret weapon here. If you stay the course, you will eventually have those strong, natural nails you have been wanting. This serum provides the right tools for the job. It is a nourishing oil that actually does its work. Just be patient with the process. Your body moves at its own pace. Give it the nutrients it needs and wait for the results to show. It is a worthwhile addition to your routine if you value actual health over quick fixes. Your hands will thank you for the extra care in the long run. It is about building a foundation of strength rather than just painting over the cracks. Keep your expectations grounded and let the keratin do the heavy lifting over the next month. Your nails deserve that level of commitment. This is a solid investment for anyone who takes their hand care seriously. Just ignore the flashy countdowns on the packaging and focus on the quality of the ingredients instead. Real beauty always takes a little bit of time to grow.